Hello everyone! Hello mga suke! Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood, nag-like, nag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel at higit sa lahat sa mga bumili ng Zoila and Sofia merchandise sa Shopee and Lazada. Maraming salamat po. Today we're going to discuss about Deupros Hyaluronic Cooling Sun Gel SPF 50 PA++. Let's review the packaging. The packaging is very simple yet elegant. Nakalagay po ito sa isang box na may striking yellow and silver label. Upon seeing the box, you will know more about the product dahil meron po itong English translation. Plus, meron din po itong brochure included inside the box wherein you will see all information about the product. The tube packaging comes with a built-in pump. Kaya very handy na pwede nyo po itong dalhin anytime, anywhere. What are the ingredients? Ano nga ba ang ingredients ng product na to? Meron po tayong hyaluronic acid. Ito pong hyaluronic acid na to will revitalize skin, provides moisture, and restore skin's firmness. Ang product na ito ay meron din pong eucalyptus, which is high in antioxidant, may treat dry skin, and also has a natural insect repellent. Meron din po itong snail mucus, which is high in anti-aging properties, treats multiple skin issues, packed with nutrients. So maganda po talaga yung mga ingredients na ito. Next would be blueberry extract. This moisturizes your skin, high antioxidant properties, and provides skin nourishment. Meron din po itong niacinamide, has anti-aging and anti-wrinkle properties, improves skin condition, and good for skin hydration. Let's open the tube to have an idea kung ano nga ba ang itsura nito. And let's put a small amount sa wrist natin. Alright. Don't be deceived with the texture. It looks like cream, but it's actually a gel. The texture feels so soft at madali siyang ma-dissolve sa skin. It has floral scent, not strong, but subtle, super refreshing. What are the functions of Deupros SPF 50 Hyaluronic Sun Gel? First, it protects skin from UV rays. It has hydrating effect. And third, it moisturizes your skin. How to use the product? Madali lang po. All you need to do is to put generous amount of Deupros SPF 50 Hyaluronic Sun Gel to your palm and then massage it to your skin 30 minutes before exposure. And then every 2 to 3 hours magre-retouch kayo. Reminder lang po na we have to apply Deupros SPF 50 Hyaluronic Sun Gel in all areas exposed from the sun at nire-recommend din po na gumamit tayo nito daily. Let's go to frequently asked questions. Is it safe? Yes, it's FDA approved. What does SPF means? It is actually a sun protection factor. It is the amount of protection the sunscreen offers compared to unprotected skin. What is PA rating? PA rating is the strength of the product that will protect your skin against UV rays. Does higher SPF means better protection? Yes. The higher SPF, the higher level of protection. How long can I be exposed to the sun without sunscreen with no complication? According to Healthline, 20 minutes. Pero para ma-reduce yung risk ng sunburn, 5 to 10 minutes. Is it safe for pregnant women? Yes. Pwede nyo po itong gamitin throughout your pregnancy. Can I use makeup on top of sunscreen? Yes, definitely. Mabigat ba sa face pag ginamit? Oily ba? Hindi po. Hindi mabigat sa face, hindi oily, normal lang. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood at nag-like, nag-share. Message us below if you have questions. Thank you!